Hello and welcome to my channel KAM Marketing. This is the 9th video series of my KAM Affiliate Mastery course, a course which is designed for everyone who want to make money online using affiliate marketing. After setting up few pages for our website latestparadise.com, it's time to create our logo. There are different places you can use for creating logo, and if you do not know how to create it, this is the video for you. So let's move to a website logomaker.thehoth.com, and there are other sites as well, but first I will use this site and later I will show you some other sites as well. Once you move to this site, you are seeing that sample logo out there, and click on new. Yes, now we want to add symbol to our logo. Let's search it. So our website is Ladders Paradise, so it all about ladders. It may be under the category of, you can search for, I hope so, I may find in the tools. So click on tools and let's see. So here is the stair ladder. Click on this and it will be added to that section. And now add text. Click on add text. Type your title, Ladders Paradise. Drag it here, and you can even make it smaller or larger. So I hope that size will be okay. And now click again text to add our tagline. So you can write your tagline. So just make it better, and you can change the font here. If you want to change the color, click on that section, and I am selecting just closer to the latest color. If you want to change the color of this symbol, click on that, and you can even change from here, like so now it is looking better. You can adjust the size from here. Even you can add different shapes, like these are the shapes, and also you can change symbols from here. So to me it is okay to me, especially at the start. If you are okay with the logo, then click save and download. Provide your good email. Go to your email, download it. Now go towards your website and move to appearance, customize. Click on branding, select image, upload files. Always choose a logo that is in the PNG image. The host site will send you a zip file that includes the JPG image and the PNG image. So always choose the file that is in the PNG image. Choose image. So that's you are seeing your logo on your website. And if you want to remove that tagline, remove that tagline. Click publish. Click on refresh. So that is our logo. Ladder's Paradise, get the best ladder here. This is the first option of creating logo using this site. For other options you can use Canva and Pixlr. So that's all for today's video. Please like it and share with the other people. Thank you.